Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make a custom loading screen. So let's get right into it. So you first want to go over to replicate it first, add a local script and remove all of this. And then you want to go over to the pin comment and get the model that's there. Once you do have the model, you should see this in your workspace. And then open it and you should see the loading screen. Move the loading screen into the local script. So now once you have done that, you want to go over to the local script and open it. So now what you want to do is go over to the pin comment yet again and grab the script from there, copy it and then paste it in here. And then you want to go over to game name and change it to whatever name of your game is. So now, let's go ahead and close it and let's press play. And as you can see guys, it's working. It says base game is showing all the assets with the progress bar and everything. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like, comment down below and subscribe to the channel. I'm trying to reach 300 subscribers. Bye guys.